Ever find yourself wondering how the world's most successful individuals prepare for a day of triumph? It all starts with the evening routine. Join us as we delve into the secrets of a night well spent and explore the crucial link between evening and morning rituals. A mindful day review. Our journey begins with a reflective pause. Take a moment to review your day, acknowledging victories and lessons. Journaling is a powerful tool, allowing you to document insights and clear your mind for a peaceful evening. Settle into a quiet space, perhaps your favorite cozy corner. Open your journal and let the ink flow as you recount the events of the day. Begin by celebrating your victories, big or small. Maybe you aced that presentation or simply made someone smile. Recognize and savor these moments. Now, turn your attention to the lessons learned. Did a challenge at work unveil a new skill? Did a difficult conversation provide valuable insights? Jot down these lessons. They're stepping stones to growth. Feel the weight lifting off your shoulders as you transfer your thoughts to paper. The act of journaling is a release, allowing you to distance yourself from the day's stresses and find clarity. As you close the journal, you've not only documented your day, but also created space for tranquility. A mindful day review sets the stage for a restful evening and a successful tomorrow. The art of unplugging. In a world buzzing with notifications, successful individuals understand the importance of a digital detox. Switch off those devices at least an hour before bed, allowing your mind to unwind and inviting a calm atmosphere conducive to relaxation. Meditation for inner balance. Next on our agenda, the practice of meditation. Spend time in quiet contemplation, centering your mind and releasing the day's stress. Cultivating inner balance prepares you for a rejuvenating night's sleep. Find a comfortable space. Choose a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position. You can use a cushion or chair for added comfort. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes gently and bring your attention to your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your lungs to fill with air, and then exhale slowly through your nose. Focus on the sensation of your breath as it enters and leaves your body. Mindful observation. As you breathe, observe any thoughts or sensations without judgment. Let them come and go, like clouds passing in the sky. If your mind starts to wander, gently guide it back to your breath. Body scan. Conduct a mental body scan, starting from your toes and moving up to the top of your head. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort, and consciously release that tension as you breathe out. Close mindfully. When you're ready to end your meditation, do so mindfully. Gently bring your awareness back to the present moment, slowly open your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Carry the sense of calmness into the rest of your evening. Remember, meditation is a personal practice, and there's no right or wrong way to do it. Find what works best for you, and allow yourself the time and space to reap the benefits of this powerful mindfulness tool. Early to bed, early to rise. The clock strikes 10 p.m., a magic hour for success. By prioritizing an early bedtime, you pave the way for a 5 or 6 a.m. wake-up call. Quality sleep is the foundation for a productive day ahead. Mindful sleep preparation. As you tuck yourself in, engage in purposeful sleep preparation. Dim the lights, engage in a calming activity, and create a serene sleep environment. Your mind prepares for rest, ensuring you wake up refreshed and ready to conquer the day. But the journey to success doesn't end when the sun sets. It's seamlessly connected to the sunrise. Check out the links in the description for insightful videos on powerful morning routines to complement your evening practices. The synergy between the two is unparalleled. As you adopt these evening habits, remember, the key to a successful tomorrow lies in the rituals of tonight. A mindful evening sets the stage for a purposeful morning. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Together, let's unlock the doors to success. Sleep well, dream big, and wake up ready to conquer the world. Until next time,